Platoon number 1, NLD SI Provisioner, Platoon Commander Joy Prakash Sharma. Platoon number 2, 13 APDN Sub Inspector AB, Platoon Commander Sunil Kumar Rabha. Platoon number 3, Home Guard ABSI, Platoon Commander Padma Narzari.
Platoon number 4, North Lakhimpur University, NCC, Platoon Commander Sri Miran Tai. Platoon number 5, North Lakhimpur Girls College, NCC, Platoon Commander Srimati Devajani Pagar. Platoon number 6, Naoboisa College, NCC, Platoon Commander Sri Bhupen Gogoi. সকলোকে এজাউৰি হাত চাপৰিৰে আজি প্ৰতিযোগীসকলক উৎসাহিত কৰিবৰ বাবে বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ জনালো।
Platoon number 7, Panigao OPD College, Platoon Commander Poriplata Naro. Platoon number 8, LTK College, NCC, Platoon Commander Srimati Mami Taid. Platoon number 9, North Lakhimpur Gop Higher Secondary School, Platoon Commander Unman Bora.
Platoon number 10, St. Mary's High School, Platoon Leader Jagadish Peri নেতৃত্বত অতিকৈ আকৰ্ষণীয় পাইপ বেণ্ড। Platoon number 22, pipe band, 13